Order! Order in the court! We bring before the court of public opinion this evening the defendants, Messrs. Mike Ricketts, Bruce Gaynor, Dalton Wint, Roy Simpson, and Raymond Anderson, all officers of the Jamaica Football Federation, to answer to the charge of dereliction of duty as it relates to leaving 4 COVID-19 stricken players in Saudi Arabia to fend for themselves. This act is deemed by the prosecution to be cruel and unprofessional. How do you plead? Yes. You have not to say. Except that, you have been afraid to catch COVID-19 from the players. Hold on, Mr. Wint. You know did catch COVID down there. Why you never stay? You all left the players at the mercy of the Saudi Arabian officials. Gentlemen, the safety and welfare of the national representatives from the day they leave the shores until the day they return must be the responsibility of the Federation as represented by the team officials. Mr. Ricketts, Mr. Gaynor, and Mr. Wint, what purpose will you serve on this trip? What you all did was an act of shameless cowardice. You left the wounded soldiers on the battlefield, and I don't want to hear no more evidence. By the powers invested in me, Judge Maverick, on behalf of the Jamaican public, as multiple repeat offenders, I find you all guilty as charged of gross dereliction of duty, and I sentence you all to 3 months probation. If you know as much as sneeze, they are locked up and dash for the key. You don't get them out of the eyesight. Court dismissed. Court dismissed.